upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. On my left, we have the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner, the mop that promises to make your floors cleaner than your ex's excuses. And on my right, we have the Shark Steam and Scrub, which sounds like a fancy spa day for your floors. So let's get ready to mop it up and find out which one is the ultimate cleaning champion. Let's go! First up, let's talk about the price. The Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner is a budget-friendly option at $119, making it a popular choice among users who appreciate its effectiveness and affordability. Reviewers have noted that it is easy to maneuver and effective at cleaning quickly, which adds to its value. Now, the Shark Steam and Scrub comes in at a higher price of $139. While some users feel that the Shark justifies its price with its advanced features like self-propelling and scrubbing capabilities, others suggest that it might not be worth the extra cost for everyone. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, Schenley wins this round. But if you're feeling fancy and want to treat your floors like royalty, Shark might just be worth it. Next, let's examine cleaning power. The Schenley Steam Mop boasts high-pressure steam that heats up in just 15 seconds and effectively tackles dirt, stains, and even mold, making it an impressive choice for many users. One reviewer was particularly impressed with its versatility and ability to clean various surfaces without chemicals. In contrast, the Shark Steam and Scrub features powerful steam and rotating scrubbing pads that promise up to 2x better stain removal compared to traditional mops. Reviewers have noted how the Shark effectively cleans stubborn dirt and grime, especially on tile floors. So if you want a high-pressure steam party, Schenley takes it. But if you want that extra scrubbing action, Shark's got your back. Moving on to usage and modes. The Schenley Steam Mop is known for its versatility with its 7-in-1 accessories, allowing users to clean everything from hardwood floors to windows. One reviewer highlighted its ease of use and effectiveness in cleaning both floors and windows. On the other hand, the Shark Steam and Scrub offers 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep, providing a customizable cleaning experience. Users appreciate this feature, as it allows them to tackle different messes with ease. So if you're looking for variety, Schenley is your go-to. But if you want to customize your cleaning experience, Shark has got you covered. It's a tie, folks. Now let's discuss additional features. The Schenley is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to maneuver around furniture, which several users have found to be a significant advantage. However, some reviewers did mention that the cord length could be improved. In contrast, the Shark Steam and Scrub comes with LED headlights that reveal hidden debris, making it easier to spot dirt. Additionally, it scrubs over 150 times a minute, providing an intense cleaning action that many users love. So if you want to see the dirt you never knew existed, Shark takes the crown. But for lightweight and easy handling, Schenley is a strong contender. It's like choosing between Batman and Sherlock Holmes. In summary, both the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner and the Shark Steam and Scrub have their strengths and weaknesses based on user reviews. The Schenley is praised for its affordability, versatility, and cleaning power, while the Shark is recognized for its advanced features and scrubbing capabilities. Users appreciate the ease of use and effectiveness of both products, making them solid choices for anyone looking to clean their floors effectively. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of the steam mops, Schenley and Shark both have their strengths and weaknesses. Schenley is your budget-friendly, versatile cleaning machine, while Shark is your high-tech scrubbing powerhouse. Which one's better? Well, that depends on what you value most in a mop. So let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart buying decisions. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Bye!